Angel, are you gonna miss me?
Here's all my luggage. It's all very heavy. I'm hoping I don't have to pay extra at the airport. I'm about to leave for the airport. I've got my jumper around my waist just so when they weigh my carry-on, it's not gonna be too heavy. I'm trying to make it as least heavy as possible. Got my little backpack and 2 full suitcases. This is an adventure. Let's do it. Made it to the Gold Coast airport, but I'm going in a car with another influencer to the place we're staying at, but her flight was delayed by 40 minutes, so we've just been sitting here. I've been sitting here with my chauffeur. He's just gone up to stand and wait for her now, but the anticipation's killing me for seeing this house because I've just been sitting here for 40 minutes.
You can wave if you're gonna give away. Yeah.
Morning, it's the first official day in the Neon house. Neon! I'll show you the view from my room. It's so pretty here. Got this really nice long balcony and the lighting is just so nice in here. I was just trying on what outfits I can put together and what I can wear today. We're going to Movie World. Yeah, I kind of chose things that were for warmer weather. I've got a bomber jacket, jeans. I don't really have any shorts or anything and it's really hot here, so gotta figure out what to wear. But I'm gonna head downstairs and say morning to everyone and get breakfast. Look at this cupcake with my head on it. So cute. Last night was so fun. We did cocktail making and had dinner and just hung out for a bit. Everyone went to bed early, which is what I was happy because I'm an early sleeper too. But yeah, we've got content this morning with a hair brand and then we're going to Movie World. I'm so excited to go on rides and stuff. Last night I woke up feeling really sick though from all the cocktails and I was like, no, I can't go on the rides now. But I feel much better.
So sparkly.
We just had a yoga class and it was so nice. I've never done a proper yoga class since high school and I really want to do it more because I just feel very loose and relaxed. It was so good. We did it outside and it's the perfect weather today. Later we're going on a boat and I'm really excited just to get a tan as well. I feel like I got a tan from Movie World yesterday, but it's around 10 now and we're gonna have a big breakfast with Esme Minerals. Let's go. This new lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk. Oh, I think the shade is Pillow Talk. Very nice. Very creamy, but it has a nice matte finish. It is nearly 6 p.m. and I'm just feeling really tired from the past week. It was like the best week ever. So busy, so much happened. I can't believe it's Thursday. This time last week, I was flying home from the TikTok house in the Gold Coast and then coming home, changing, doing my makeup, and then going back to the city and doing a Dyson event. Dyson have this really cool pop-up store in the city, so went to do content there and it was really fun, and then came home, packed, and the next morning we were off driving 7 hours into the country for a wedding. The wedding was lovely too, and it was just nice to spend time with Fabian's family. This week I've just been playing catch up on all the content I've had to edit from the TikTok house, and then also I had so much parcels when I came back, and you know, each parcel is a new job that I have to film or shoot, so it's all piled up this week, and it's been really busy, but it's good. I filmed a wash day video today for a brand called Curls, which you've probably seen me talk about. I've been working with them for a couple of years now and I'm so happy with the products I used. It's their new Sea Moss collection, so if you guys have been wondering whether you should try that collection out, I highly recommend. The curls are happy. They are a tad frizzy. That's mostly because I went outside when it was raining, but they still held really well. So yeah, life has just been non-stop and I'm very grateful and still just shocked at the past week. The TikTok house was like one of the best experiences I've ever had, and I just couldn't believe how lovely all the girls were. That was my biggest fear going into it, which I think I told you guys, is that I was nervous about not knowing anyone and if people would get along and if there was going to be drama, because when you think of a big group of girls you think there's going to be drama or clashes. That's just kind of a typical girl thing. If it's a big group of girls, there's like, you know, bitchiness and stuff, but this was not the case at all. I just instantly felt so comfortable with each and every girl in that group, and I hope I can hang out with them again soon because they just had such good energy, pure, kind energy. And yeah, it just made me realize I have to say yes to more things and stop giving into the fear. I actually said no to a Bali trip with my agency. Not because it was a mixture of being scared and then also I had other things on, but now I was like, as soon as the TikTok house was over, I asked if I could come to the Bali trip. So I'm supposed to go to Bali later this year in August with 20 influencers. We might be doing another TikTok house later in the year, so that's also exciting. So there's a lot of traveling and events going on. I had a Colgate event last night and it was really fun. I got to catch up with my friend Dee, and today I just filmed that wash day video, did emails, had to edit. I apologize if it's a lot of sponsored content being pumped out from me in the next couple of weeks. I'm kind of playing catch up, but I have a lot of ideas for videos and stuff that I want to create, so just hang in there. I will start on them as soon as I can. If you're still watching this vlog, thank you for sticking around. Make sure to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. Please leave a comment down below on what you want to see next on my channel or what Instagram, TikTok videos you like seeing from me. I appreciate your guys' support so much, and I will see you in my next video.